Here's how people make money with crypto, fast. Flying money. Keycap 1. Buy low, sell high, classic trading. Time it right, and profits can be huge. Upward trend. Keycap 2. Hodling, just hold on tight. Bitcoin holders from 2015? Yeah, they're smiling. Cool. Keycap 3. Staking, lock your coins and earn passive income like interest. Coin. Keycap 4. DeFi, lend or borrow crypto and earn yield. But it's risky, warning. Keycap 5. Play to earn games and NFT flips, not as hot as 2021, but still active. Video game. Revolving light. Remember, crypto is volatile. You can win big, or lose fast. Research before you invest, and never put in what you can't afford to lose. Smash like if you want a beginner's crypto guide. Fire.